got the Greddy Evolution GT cat back exhaust for the new 2017 370Zs. We want to do a install on this and check out the before and after on the exhaust noise. What's good about these kits is they're all mandrel bent stainless steel piping, and they're R&D to produce the most power with the right noise level, which doesn't give you your headache or a bad noise when you're cruising down the freeway. We've got the installation going on the Greddy Evolution GT cat back for the 370Z. I can't wait to see how it sounds.
We just finished the install on this Greddy exhaust right here. Sounds great. Sounds pretty mean.
Doing the test drive on the 370Z with the Greddy cat back. Good quiet cabin noise. You don't really hear the exhaust unless you're really on it. Sounds really good. Not too loud, doesn't give you any kind of like a headache after a while, but no, it sounds perfect.